Hello everybody, I'm Dr Swanepoel. I'm a chemist and I'm working in the development and implementation of technology, also the industrialization of that. I think this is one of the big new worlds out there. I'm working in the renewable energy space and also nuclear. There's new developments going on in terms of hydrogen production. There's also biomass conversion, and I think this is one of the new sort of frontiers in space, and in South Africa this is where we need to go. I think we can apply it in different fields. It is specifically in mobility. If you look at green mobility, this is transport on land, and marine transport specifically is one of the big ones, and then also as in flight and in sustainable aviation fuel is one of the big drivers. So my typical day at work consists of working very close to a full day, sometimes 12 hours a day, and sometimes I have the freedom to do whatever I want. So I'm in the consulting world at the moment. I develop new businesses, technologies, and so at the moment it means that I have the freedom to develop and do what I want, but it is a lot of work. There are a lot of computer work, and then also management of various processes and products and projects that I'm busy doing. I'm working all over the world. I'm traveling far and wide. I visited Siberia, worked in Siberia, in Kazakhstan, in Korea, in China, in the USA, and I think this can be a dream for a lot of people, is to really contact everybody around the world. For the last 20 years, I'm working close with people in Saudi Arabia. We work in the field of space development, nuclear, and when you do this type of work, you're not only a chemist, you are also a person that works with a lot of other people. They are technologists, engineers, it's electrical, mechanical, process engineering, and then one of the big other things is to do business. So it is working with quality and safety. It is a whole wide range of people that we are working with. So a project is a team, and you are part of a team, and you must be able to be a team player to really take some of these things forward. So I come from a very small town. I was born in Jacobsdal in the Free State, and then traveled as a small boy between Upington and Kimberley, and went to school there, and eventually ended up back in Jacobsdal. So it was quite a challenge initially, especially in high school in Jacobsdal, because there were no real teachers in science and technology, and also in maths. So big problems with maths. Luckily for me, my mother was a maths teacher, and she assisted me quite a lot, so that helped me through. But at that stage I didn't think at all that eventually I will end up in science, but it was always a passion. But it was quite difficult, and I think all you have to do is to really study, make sure that you understand what is going on, and ask questions, because a lot of people don't ask questions. And if you don't interrogate, you will never really know what is going on. So I think from small beginnings, it was really good for me. Eventually I traveled the world, I work internationally, and I think everybody can do that. I'm enjoying science, technology, and the thrill of doing new things. It is not only a passion, it's more than that. I think when you can develop something and eventually you see it's running and it's working and it's doing what it needs to do, it gives you a lot of satisfaction. And you also see a lot of people enjoying it. You see that you give people work. It is much broader than just enjoying yourself. I think it is out there for everybody. I've worked with a lot of people over the years, and they went out into the world and do their own things now. Science is one of the cornerstones of how we work and how we live nowadays. Everything around you, the cell phones you are working with, the cars you drive, everything is about science. And if you understand science, it will just open the world for you.